Hi, this is Chantel Ray from Dancing Classrooms, Greater Richmond. I am here today with a dance break for you. So, to give you a nice little break from your schoolwork and everything that you are doing. And today what I want to do is I want to teach you a swing era move, which is called the Charleston. And it's fun because it is a dance move that you can do in pairs with people, or if you can do it by yourself. Today we're going to go a solo act. And so, would you please go ahead and stand up and follow along? So, and just mirror what I'm doing, okay? So take your left leg and go touch it back and step it forward. Now take your right leg and go touch and step, and touch, step, touch, step. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now add a rock step, step, touch, step, and a rock, step, touch, step, rock, step, touch, step. Now we're gonna rock, step. Now kick, step, rock, step, kick, step, rock, step, kick, step, rock, step, kick, step. Now add rock, step, kick, step, rock, step, kick, step, rock, step, kick, step. Now we're gonna add rock, step, kick in, kick, step, rock, step, kick in, kick, step, rock, step, kick in, kick, step. Okay, let me break that down for you really quickly, okay? So as we do that, it is an 8-count move. So we go back, forward, that's our rock step, that's 1, 2. Then we're gonna kick this leg, we're gonna go kick, step, that's 3, 4. Now step forward again with a kick, that's 5. Bring it in, 6, and then back 7 and 8. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now do you notice the bending of my knees? Okay? That adds that movement to it. Swing dance is a lot of bouncing, but it takes it down into the ground, okay? So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now, just so that you can see, let me do that to the side, okay? So it doesn't really matter. So I'm gonna take my left leg. And as I do this, I'm gonna also rotate probably quarter turn so you can see it as I go. And I quarter turn on that first step. Okay, so we're gonna go rock, step, kick, and kick, step, rock, step, kick, step. Watch as I turn. Rock, step, kick in, kick, step, rock, step, kick in, kick, step, and turn. Kick, rock, step, kick, step. See how my arms are swinging with it? It adds just that easy motion. Okay, nice and turns. All right? Okay, so my friends, for our little swing. Now, if you want, you go ahead and just hit step, tap, step, bump, nice and easy as our music. We're gonna start off with that. And then we will add the kicks. All right, so let's take our music with it. Feel the bounce. Start with tap, step, tap, step, touch, step, a rock, step, kick, step, rock, step, kick, and kick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to turn around and we'll start it again with the top, with the toe touches. Ready? 5, 6, step. Here we go. Rotate it however you want. Step, kick step. All right, my friends. I hope that got your heart racing. Nice and easy, and a nice little break for you, for your minds to then go back and concentrate on your work that you're doing. My friends, have a great day, and see you next time for our next dance break.